Brandon here with Kneifel Timber, showing you guys the next slab. We're pulling off of this 6-foot maple. We've been running chainsaw mill on it, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the color. Here's what the top of this slab looks like, and it's got all sorts of cool stuff going on. Alright, here's the slab coming up off of there. We carry them over and set them on a pallet. And here we've got it all cleaned up. On to the next slab. Cutting these 6-footers is kind of fun. See you guys later.